This is Cody here at Gug's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Jayco White Hawk 28RL. This is a fiberglass exterior trailer with a rubber deck roof. It is Jayco's Magnum truss roof. It has a 2+3 year warranty. We'll talk about some of the other key features of a Jayco here in a few seconds as we do a walk around to the outside. So let's get to it. You'll notice here on the front you've got a big baggage door. This is going to lead into your pass-through storage. You've got magnetic door holders, so no more breaking off them plastic door holders and thumb latches. All the way through to the other side here, and then they also give you like a table for outside here. You do have lights in the storage compartment here, outlet, and then you'll have your jacks for your override for your stabilizer bars and your tongue jack here. Another thing here, this is also prepped with the new Furion side camera mount, so you can have a camera on each side of the vehicle plus one on the back, so you can always see your blind spots while you're towing it. We'll move to the front here. This is going to have these strips here are blue lights. And then you've got the blue lights here on the bottom. It's kind of like a night feature for camping. Make sure you can find your trailer when you're there. Not to mention that big front window here in the bedroom. You'll also have two 30-pound propane tanks on the front of this, and then a power tongue jack. Walk around the passenger side here. Again, side camera prep on this side. Pass-through storage door. Open this side up here. This is going to be where you have your 12-volt cutoff, and then your power cable for that 30-amp supply, and then another light as well. You have black tank flush on this unit, and then this is a 8,150-pound gross vehicle weight trailer. Also have the seamless exterior windows. Really big slide out here, and then that does have the rack and pinion slide out. Your sewer connection, so you got black water, gray water, then you have another black water back there, all coming out to the same central location, which is pretty nice. We'll walk around on the other side of the slide out. You've got a cable input. If your campground supplies cable, plug in right there, and then you'll have a couple outputs on the other side of the trailer and inside as well. On the back you have the roof ladder. You also have the J-Smart lighting system with reverse lights. Your 30-amp power supply connection is right here. You have city water connection as well on the back, and then you have an outside shower. They still give you the 4-inch bumper. You can still pull the ends off, put your sewer hose in there, and then you also have the spare tire and spare tire cover. This one will also have MoRide steps, so these steps will actually flip up inside, and you will not see them while you're traveling. You've got the expandable grab handle, and then you've got a 20-foot awning. On the bottom side of the awning too, you also have that LED light strip for your nighttime lounging while you're under the awning. Two exterior speakers, and then this will be the vent for your range hood. You have your freshwater fill on this side, and then you do have a 6-gallon gas electric water heater. And then this will be your 35,000 BTU furnace exhaust. All-in-one closed system. And then down below you have the Jayco signature where they put Goodyear tires on your trailer already, and then you do have the Dexter axles with the never adjust and the easy lube system. Up here by the front door here, this would be the door for your master bedroom, so you got easy access into your bedroom. And then that back door there is going to be for walking into the living area. You have a output here for cable, and then you also have 2 outside power outlets. We'll take a step inside the trailer here and we'll show you the inside. We'll go over a few of the key features. Before we head in though, there's one more thing. We do have the electric stabilizer jacks on here as well. So heading in, we chose to do this particular model in modern farmhouse. So you do have the Jayco White cabinetry. It's more of a rustic. You'll notice there's tons of storage in here. So overhead storage. You got a high-rise faucet, dishes dryer, cutting board, and then a double sink. Lots of counter space. You got a collapsible countertop, and then you have drawers underneath. Storage on the bottom of the sink. You have the glass top and a 3-burner stove, an oven, and then this one does have the 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. The thing that I like about this the most is the 12-volt refrigerators seem to be a lot deeper. They are bigger. So you got that. And then you have a microwave, your range hood. You have a roof fan here in the main living area, which is a nice feature, along with a really nice sunlight, skylight. You can also shut this. You've got a blind over that. All the lights on the interior of this coach are going to be LED. 2 rear recliners. And then you have a stand here with storage. Overhead storage. A trifold sofa. Then you have a dinette. The other thing that I really like about White Hawks is their attention to detail. Storage underneath each side of the dinette, along with storage from above. The other thing that's really nice about this unit is they went full carpetless, so you'll see there's no more carpet on the slide out. You have a 13,500 BTU ducted air conditioning system. A pantry here next to the refrigerator. An electric fireplace. And then you have an all-in-one DVD player, FM, AM radio, CD player, and it is also Bluetooth. Take a walk up to the bedroom here. Nice size bathroom. Towel holding rack. You'll notice that you have a medicine cabinet. Sink. Some storage. And then a really nice walk-in shower. We'll go up into the bedroom now. Outside the bedroom here, we've got the 190 watt solar panel mounted to the roof, so this is going to be your solar charge controller. You have a pocket door here for the bedroom. And then that is lockable too as well from the inside. That front window is just amazing. You have a queen size bed, and then underbed storage, Gas shocks don't have to hold it up. Closed closets on each side of the bed. And then you have another fan vent hood here in the bedroom. TV location for the bedroom here and right next to the door. If you are interested in this trailer, Skaggs Camperway in Mankato. We're open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then we are here on Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Ask for Cody and I will gladly show you. Thank you for watching.